Is Manu Terradios, the editor of our Spanish service. Manu, very good morning to you. So, look, if I was travelling from France, let's say, and I wanted to come to Spain, what are the new rules? How do I gain entry?
Buenos dias. Good morning, Rosie. Well, you said it. You will need to show a negative PCR test. That's the latest measure introduced by the national authorities to tackle this pandemic that yesterday we saw that added 19,000 new cases. This is how it's going to work. You have to do this PCR test before you leave, and it has to be done 72 hours at least before the departure. So you cannot do it before, and you have to be able to show it there. It has to be official, and it has to be in Spanish or in English. As you said, it's applied to visitors from high-risk areas. In the European Union, they're going to use this famous traffic light system, so red, yellow, or green. So that means that, for example, in the Schengen area, only visitors from Norway, Finland, and Greece will be exempt of showing this. This is the latest measure added, and it's been something that the regions have been asked for. Government was reluctant because they said that only 1% of the cases come from abroad. But yes, so you understand it better. For example, Canary Islands, who wish to save the so-called winter touristic season, decided to introduce it before. So from this weekend, from the 14th, if you wish to travel to Canary Islands, you will have to show this famous negative PCR test before entering the country.
What about other measures? Spain was one of the first countries in Europe to impose sort of mandatory mask-wearing rules. How's that changing?
They're going to try to lower the prices. That's not a measure probably to tackle the pandemic, more to ease the burden that the families are facing. According to studies, usually for a family of four, it means 120 euros per month in masks. What they're going to do is to lower the taxes from 21% to 4%. This comes with some sort of also of controversy because they said they were waiting for the European Union to provide some sort of written authorization. And they said yesterday that now they have it so they can do it. But some media in Spain has shown this document saying that actually it was not a written authorization, but more a reminder saying that this was possible since the month of May. And actually not only to 4%, that you can lower it to 0 if you wish. But all in all, what's going to happen is that they're going to lower the prices. The maximum price now, according to the law, is 96 cents for these surgical masks. And they also said that they want to lower it. So this is a new measure, as I said, to ease the burden in the families because the economic crisis in Spain linked to the pandemic. It's been very, very hard.
Manu, thank you very much.
Always a pleasure.